Hi guys, welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, I'm Felicia. Welcome. If you enjoy videos about natural hair and also product reviews, then go ahead, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any uploads. So today I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. My hair has already been cleaned and also freshly washed, deep conditioned, all of that good stuff. So today I kind of want to challenge myself to see if I can do the minimum amount of work and still get like the bomb results. So kind of what I mean, I was looking at one of my previous videos not too long ago, and I realized that I did a flat twist out with only 6 flat twist outs, and the results were like really bomb. It was super defined. So I'm not going to go for a flat twist out today. Like I said, I want to do the least amount, so I'm just going to take the easy route and just do some simple 2-strand twist. So I have a theory, and the theory is that I can probably get away with doing 8 2-strand twists. That's it, a total of 8 or less, and still get some pretty defined and bomb results. So we're gonna test that theory. I don't know, like I said, so I don't know, if it's gonna work, what this is gonna come out. I just know I don't feel like doing much right now with my hair, but I need to do something. So let me know if any of you guys can relate down in the comment section below. Like, what is your quick, easiest thing that you do? Not talking about a wash and go. I mean, a wash and go is pretty, that can be pretty simple. Just kind of, there are many ways you can do a wash and go. If it's in the summertime, I usually air dry or diffuse, or in the wintertime, you can also sit up under the dryer. So not a wash and go, but something else. Okay. So for my leave-in, I am using the Creme Pure Honey Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. This has no sulfates and no mineral oil. And I do like this particular leave-in. If you haven't already seen the review, I did a full review on this entire Pure Honey collection. You can check that out. So basically I am going for just a chunky twist out. I'm just not sure of the results. So for my cream, I'm going to be using the Creme Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream.
On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving.
So if this is your first time watching me and you're thinking, oh wow, that's a lot of product there, yeah, that's just how I roll. So it's no big deal. My hair absorbs it. Once my hair is dry, as it's drying, all of that, the whiteness that you see, it goes away.
No, I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright guys, I'm done. So I ended up doing 7, so less than 8. Alright. And the last thing I'm going to do to finish up my twist is going to use some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm just going to put this on the ends of my twist. Alright, so let's go ahead and take these twists down. So right here you can see it's a little puffed up, and that's because I did not pin my roots down with bobby pins. So that might be something I might do in the future, but I wasn't too worried about it, so I'm just gonna roll with it and see how it turns out. I'm gonna take my hair down with the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 Treatment Oil. Oh, why am I not surprised? My hair is not as dry as I thought it was. But I'm gonna get started now, so. So when I undo my 2-strand twist, I never just separate strand for strand. Where it separates, I just take my thumb and kind of separate through, and that's it. So, and the other reason that I do my hair like that, especially when my hair is still slightly damp, the less separating I do, the less frizz I can reduce. So the next day if I want to separate further, I can, and it won't, you know, make it frizzy or anything. But so with the pick, I'm not really picking for volume. I'm just more so picking to blend in those spots where the braids were. Just kind of blend that in and cover that. Okay, so as you can see, I pretty much filled in the gaps. You don't see any just straight parts going down, so I did that with minimum lifting. So the last thing, I'm just going to kind of polish up the edges and smooth some of the front down. And I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Infusion Edge Control.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night.
Okay, so all done, and I think these results looks pretty bomb to me. For only what, 7 chunky twists, just slightly damp in some areas, just a hint. I'm sure it will be completely dried like probably less than 2 hours or whatever, but I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see the edges with the edge control. I think it did a nice job of slicking it down and giving it a little shine. I'm not one to get all fancy with the edges and make swoops and scallops and all that, so So all in all, I did love these results. As far as the products, of course, my hair is defined, it is soft, it is moisturized. But again, like I said, you can check out that video. It will be down below for the full details and review on the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. Alright guys, so let me know what's the least amount of twist do you think you can get away with getting still a super defined twist out? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and stick around for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.